Alright, welcome to me and Marlene's dorm room. This is our little setup. It's our little desk. Yeah. Little me and Chase. Here's Marlene. Hey Marlene. It's our little rack and our little mirror. Marlene rocking out. It's our that's our dresser. We make our beds every day. This is Marlene's bed. This is our view. It's amazing out of our window. Isn't that not cool? Wow. On the 9th floor. It's our desk. It's Marlene's, mine. Then my bed's messy. It's my bed. Albert Einstein. Wow. Tupac for show. That's it. This is where we live. That's our whole apartment. And this is our bathroom that has no hot water. And that's Libby's room, but we don't like Libby. So, oh yeah, it's freezing, Marlene. Oh yeah. Okay, this is our whole tour. See you later.